All right, today we're doing the test everybody talks about, but rarely does it the right way. Hair Illusion says their real hair fibers can hold up with their water-resistant spray. So we're going full Mythbuster mode. Spray bottle, then running water, then towel check. Let's see if it's cap or facts. What's good? It's David D. Sharp, not sponsored. This is for barbers, clients, and anybody trying to get that clean, natural illusion without looking painted on. Hair Illusion's whole angle is, it looks like real hair because it is real hair. 100% natural hair fibers. That matters because a lot of fiber products can look powdery or flat in certain lighting. And they also market this as a system. Fibers, holding spray, water resistant spray for rain and sweat days. Let me show you how to get it looking natural, because if you apply fibers wrong, any brand is going to look wild. First, light mist of the fiber hold spray to give the fibers something to grip. Now apply fibers in layers. Don't dump it, build it. Tap, blend, check symmetry. Then lock it in again with hold spray. Short burst, 10 to 12 inches away is the move. Also, we're doing a giveaway in this video. 2 winners, TPOB Mini Play Translucent Purple and TPOB Mini Play Tiffany Translucent. To enter, you commented purple or Tiffany on my giveaway video, and as a bonus, you followed my Instagram. Now, this is where people get nervous. Hair Illusion's water-resistant hold spray claims weather sweat resistance, so the fibers don't run. I'm testing 3 ways: mist spray bottle, running water, towel blot, and close-up check. Light mist first. This stimulates sweat or light rain. Look at that. No drip trails, no immediate bleeding. Now we're going to run water. This is the one that exposes everything. Pause. Let's zoom. I'm looking for color, runoff, patching, and that muddy effect. Quick reminder, don't skip ahead. After this towel check, we are spinning for both winners, purple and Tiffany. Here's the towel check. If it's dumping pigment, you'll see it right here. From what I'm seeing on camera, it's holding way better than most quick fix fiber looks, especially when paired with the water resistant spray. All right, water test is complete. Now it's giveaway time. We are picking 1 winner for the purple and 1 winner for the Tiffany from the commenters who chose a color, and bonus points for those who followed my Instagram. All right, guys, here we go. First winner of the TPOB Mini Play giveaway, Tiffany. Here we go. We have Barber Q 210. Barber Q 210. If you have not already, message me on Instagram at Mr. Sharp 85 for the TPOB Mini Play giveaway, purple edition. The winner is Deuce 08 Deuce 08. Inbox me on Instagram at Mr. Sharp 85 to claim your prize. Thank you guys for joining in. Here's what I like. The finish looks more hair-like than powdery fibers because it's real hair fibers. The system concept makes sense. Hold spray and water-resistant spray gives you a stronger wear day. And the water test was solid. Now, here's one thing I want them to change, and it's important for barbers. Both the holding spray and the water-resistant spray come out a little too heavy. It's easy to over-apply, and that can cause stiffness, wet spots, or oversaturation. I'd love to see Hair Illusion switch both sprays to a true aerosol style mist. Something more even, more controlled, more barber station friendly, because the product is strong, but the delivery sprays too much at once. If you want me to test this in a real barbershop scenario, full lineup enhancement, sweat test, hat test, wind test, comet fiber test, and I'll run it. And if you use hair illusion before, tell me what color match you use and how long it lasts. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. As iron sharpens iron, so one person should sharpen another. Stay sharp.
Stay sharp with the sharp. Oh yeah. Barber tools, day by day. Shotguns, nothing in the way. Stay sharp, come what may. Clippers, razors, scissors, too. The sharp knows just what to do. Product reviews, tried and true. Barber tools for me and